Sanibona bafowethu, ngifukwenza bafowethu ama-comments ngale game engibukile ngizibukela bathupha-ke bafowethu ema-beatdown. We won igame ngo-2-0 starting off coach normal lineup angimbonanga okhona ingoqo wazenzile ngaphandle kwaHoto, and then we had a normal Makhawula Mbatha, Apolis, Fokeng, Moremi and Motoma. Having a Hoto, it's meant to ukuthi we'll have a Moremi cutting inside, and then we'll have an Apolis cutting inside. And then we'll have a Hoto coming outside. Now, i-challenge engibonile amaZulu bedlala ngama-defenders ayi-5. Bebema if bephethe ibhola bebeba i-unit kanje 3 at the back. If sesiphethe ibhola thina bazoba kanje 5 emuva. Now i-challenge was ukuthi ke njengoba emuva bay5, what are we doing ngoHoto? I think iPirates yenze kahle ukuthi uHoto mustn't move too high, because now into enzakalayo they leave uHadebe uzocheater on the right, and then on the left bazoba noHanamu abazophuma ngayo, and kwenzakalile ubona uMakhawula defender if labantu bephuma ngama attack, and lo Hadebe wabo is very good number 14. But asiye ngePirates ke we had a very iPirates kunzima kuyima because kunzima ukwazi ukuthi idlala AP position. You'll find in Apolis cutting inside ezo creator in number 10 A2, and izolo uFan Rooyen ubengene kuma channel on the right more like a number 10 Fokeng bese kuba uApolis. That means the number 10 abayi3 mangasiphethe ball, and you'll have Moremi edlala outside, and then you'll have Hoto edlala ngaphandle, and then i-rest defense soba noSiyema uSibisi bese kuba uCash uMakhawula u11 Mbatha eprogressa ukwenza ama-shots. Now lento yenza ukuthi kube nzima ukuthi simakeke because sinama numbers amaning forward, but now we need a right forward because uMoremi le position yamqala ugood uphuma ispace athole iball, but mase kufanele abe quick akakwazi eliminate i-opponent. So that is good ukuthi ucoach uyayibona and win show ukuthi ufaka uApolis lapha phakathi kuma pocket. But now if lento engayilungisi, we might see him going down. Singambona engakora amagoli amaningi, and singambona ehlihla emuva back kwi-squad. Now into esiyenzile right was uMakhawula ungasabi uqala ibhola emuva, ungasabi ukuthena, ungasabi ukwenza ipass progressive. Lento yenza ukuthi all that time ibhola hlezi siliphethe ne-work rate ePirates is amazing. I was very disappointed ngoMbuthuma second half. I think ubengakora kuleya game kakhulukazi bra like ukwenza ama-quick movements ngenyawo, ukudlala shots 1 2 3 khela ibhola eboxini. I think besingakora more ama-goal, but we're done for i-win. Coming to amaZulu, I think uZwane une-capability nge-squad ukucompete for i-league, but uyikwala kakhulu. I-approach yakhe is very wrong. Yabo lo Hadebe number 14 is very good. Into kade beyenza was banoBen bese babe noZungu bebedlala i-5-2-3. banoBen noZungu as a 2 number 6, bese forward babe no-striker sabathi kuNgwenya, bese babe no-Extian. uExtian benongwena bebedlala more like two strikers, bese kube khona uHadebe on the right obekade operator. If mhlawumbe they had a Sithole on the left, babe noHadebe as ama-wingers, and then uHanamu baqhamuke enza ama-runs, then on bebengaba ingozi, but bebengayona ingozi too much kuthina. Coming in on second half, amaZulu bese be-apply i-pressure, not to say because benze inguquko ezithizeni, bafake uMhlongo, a very good midfielder, bafaka uMaqoqo okay but that number 2 is very good also. Bashintsha yonke manje i-combination game because eqaleni, and then bafaka number 44, a very good holding midfielder. I think if bebeza pound to pound i-game like bebengakhombisa futhi ukora, but of which is very hard ukudlala nePirates pound to pound because i-system edlalwa into engaqondakali. We're done to Sipochine for ukusave we need a keeper that we can rely on. Sometimes if kuba khona ishot eyenzakalayo that we can rely on. Bafowethu ngimbondile uCM alive, he's a gem. Into asilela ngayo uCM udlala like as a number 6. Uyena kuphela lapha emuva wazi usinikeza come, akwazi uma ngabe ethola ibhola attack space, uyakwazi ukusinika ama-foul like against i-opponent, ama-foul azokwazi ukuthi thina asibenefitise, of which is very good for us. So nama-pass awaphasile we're done to a team. I really hope we're gonna keep it standard. I think igame yethu manje ye-league ezayo is against i-Sundowns ngomhla ka-18, so besikhona e-Orlando sekwenza esidinga ngako. Danko.